Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we are going to be opening and reviewing some new camping gear. What we have to unbox in this video is the NAPASA inflatable camping mat. What this is a inflatable mat, obviously, for laying down, sleeping, napping, whatever you want to do, for extra comfort when you're out camping or hiking. This thing does have a self-inflating mechanism on it, which I thought was nice because back in the day we had to use our lungs and blow these up ourselves. So let's take a look at this here. On the side we have all the specs, package contents. On the other side shows you exactly what this is used for. A side trip, beach, picnic, camping, backpacking, and hiking. So all of these outdoor adventures you can have will be much more comfortable with this thing. So let's open this up and take a look. All right, first off, it comes with a nice carrying case with a drawstring on top. Let's unravel this thing. Nicely all wound up. We have the user guide, some repair kit instructions and materials, so if it does get a hole punctured into it, you can repair it. Comes with a bunch of the self-sealing bandages here. Here's the instruction manual. A variety of different languages, front and back, but we're going to focus on the middle section here, which is in English. So to inflate this thing, you're going to make sure this is all rolled out on the ground. There is the inflation valve that you're going to step on and pump it with your foot. Then you close the valve and it's all set to go. I'm going to show you that here shortly, but let's unravel this thing and take a glimpse at it. Nice little band here, so when you are done using it, blow all the air out of it and roll it back up, put in that sleeve, and you're good to continue your adventures. There's the valve here. It does have the tips right on there, so yeah, you use your foot to pump it up. And this appears to be a twin size mattress, more or less. So couples, you might have to snug in a little bit closer on this mattress if you're going to be using it with another person. Ideally, you're going to be using this solo. So let's take this thing outside and blow it up and test it out. Such a comfortable mattress. Great for camping, hikes, picnics, and more. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you do want to pick one of these up for yourselves, I will have a link for it in the description below. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.